Is it time to buy or sell SOXL ETF? In this video, we will explore SOX in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Friday, the 11th of October, 2024, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and deep analysis for any one of 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. As of October 4th, 2024, our system has classified SOXL as a hold or accumulate, assigning it a score of 0.63. Now let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. Throughout this period, the stock has exceeded our expectations, achieving a gain of 5.43% since we initially suggested purchasing SOXL 6 days ago. This results in an average return of 0.90% per day, since it was designated as hold or accumulate. The exchange-traded fund has broken the very wide and declining short-term trend upwards. Firstly, a slower rate of decline is indicated, which may serve as an early signal of a trend shift. Following this reaction, there will be support at the ceiling of the current trend, which stands at $33.63. This level may present a second opportunity for significant gains. According to fan theory, $51.39 is anticipated to be the next potential peak level, creating a resistance that may not be surpassed on the first attempt. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential decrease of nearly 30% over the next 3 months, with possible returns ranging from nearly negative 71% to just over negative 39%. Regarding the 12-month trend, it suggests a change of approximately 42% over the next year, with potential returns ranging from about 3% to nearly 174%. This translates to a price range of $40.01 to $105.82 after 1 year. Our latest daily update for SOXL includes the headline, Green Day on Friday for SOXL. The SOXL ETF price experienced a gain of 2.2% on the last trading day, which was a Friday in October 2024, rising from $37.83 to $38.67. During this trading day, the ETF fluctuated by 5.91%, with a low of $36.87 and a high of $39.05. The price has increased in 6 out of the last 10 days and is up by 2.68% over the past 2 weeks. Volume decreased on the last day by 17 million shares, with a total of 58 million shares traded, amounting to approximately $2.23 billion. It is important to consider that falling volume on rising prices may indicate divergence and could serve as an early warning for potential changes in the coming days. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the ETF was $70.08, while the lowest price was $14.01. Currently, the price is 44.82%, or $31.41, below the 52-week high, and 89.78%, or $339.57, below the all-time high recorded on November 26, 2020, when the price reached $378.24. The semiconductor market is currently experiencing a surge in demand, largely driven by the growth of cloud computing and artificial intelligence technologies. As supply chain pressures diminish, semiconductor sales have significantly increased, positioning major industry players like NVIDIA and Taiwan Semiconductor Manufacturing Company among the largest companies globally by market capitalization. For short-term investors, this momentum could bolster exchange-traded funds focused on leveraged exposure to semiconductor stocks. Recent trends indicate excitement around artificial intelligence and data centers, which are likely to continue boosting chip stocks. Increased trading volume hints at heightened interest and potentially positive price action for the exchange-traded fund as hedge funds accumulate technology stocks in anticipation of interest rate cuts. However, the long-term outlook presents a more complex picture. The leveraged nature of this fund means volatility is a significant risk, and previous warnings highlight concerns about sustained losses and market corrections. As technical analysis indicates a potential downturn, investors must weigh the benefits of leveraged exposure against the risks of significant losses. The following signals have been identified for SOXL. The SOXL ETF shows positive buy signals from both short-term and long-term moving averages, indicating an optimistic outlook for the stock. Moreover, a general buy signal arises from the relationship between these two averages, as the short-term average is positioned above the long-term average. During any market corrections, support is expected at levels around $37.27 and $34.56. A decline below either of these levels would trigger sell signals. Additionally, a buy signal has been detected from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MD. However, volume decreased on the last trading day despite an increase in prices, creating a divergence that could serve as an early warning. Therefore, close observation of the ETF is advisable. It is worth noting that some negative signals have also been generated, which may impact the near-term developments. A sell signal emerged from a pivot top point on Wednesday, August 21, 2024, with the stock having experienced a decline of 7.33% since then. Further declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Here are some additional signals you might find intriguing. Moving average convergence divergence indicates a buy signal. Pivots showed a sell signal 37 days ago. Bollinger suggested a buy signal 126 days ago. The short-term moving average presented a buy signal 7 days ago. The long-term moving average indicated a buy signal 8 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages revealed a buy signal 13 days ago. When we examine the 12-month chart, we observe the short moving average provided a buy signal 18 days ago. The long-term moving average indicated a sell signal 58 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages showed a buy signal 48 days ago. For more signals, be sure to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for SOXL. On the downside, the exchange-traded fund finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $34.96 and $32.16. There is a natural risk involved when an exchange-traded fund is testing a support level. If this level is broken, the fund may then fall to the next support level. In this case, SOXL finds support just below today's level at $34.96. If this is broken, the next support from accumulated volume will be at $32.16 and $29.34. This exchange-traded fund may experience significant movement during the day, indicating volatility, and with a large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, this fund is considered to be high risk. During the last day, the fund moved $2.18 between the high and low, which amounts to 5.91%. For the last week, the fund has had a daily average volatility of 5.67%. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for SOXL. In case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for SOXL is at $39.65. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, SOXL encounters its first support level at $34.96. If this support level holds, it could be a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. Our recommended stop loss is set at $36.64, reflecting a decline of 5.24%. This exchange-traded fund exhibits significant daily fluctuations, which introduces a heightened level of risk. Additionally, there is a sell signal stemming from a pivot top identified 36 days ago. Is SOXL ETF a good buy? SOXL exhibits several positive signals. However, we do not consider these sufficient to classify it as a buy candidate at this time. Currently, it is better viewed as a hold candidate, suggesting that one might choose to hold or accumulate in this position while monitoring for further developments. Upon analyzing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Monday, October 14th, we anticipate that SOXL will open lower by approximately 473 cents, beginning its trading at $38.20. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and that you should consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions on buying or selling securities. It's important not to base your investment choices solely on the information provided by StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge that you are responsible for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the exchange-traded fund? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With warm regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.